Good morning, friends. How are you today?
Good morning.
So today we are going to learn about simple machines, and it's going to be wedges, which look like these things. I'm going to tell you more about a wedge. A wedge is actually an inclined plane. Do you remember a few days ago I spoke to you about an inclined plane? How one point is higher than the other and it kind of slants? Well, this is what a wedge is. And a wedge is used to split or cut something. So for example, I can put two blocks together and I could take this wedge and push it through and I just cut it open. Let's try it again. I can even use this wedge. And fun fact, you guys know what this piece is? Besides the fact that it's a wedge, it's our door stopper. Remember we always used to use this to close our classroom door? So we took it to show you in the video. Another thing that is a wedge but is super duper dangerous is
a knife.
A knife. Do you want to try to show them how to cut an apple with a knife?
Don't do this at home.
Watch mommies and daddies cut. Yeah.
Okay, can you see me cut? Gotta go a little hard. Apples are hard. So press down.
So when your mommy or daddy cuts an apple at home, good job, Miss Santos, by the way. You guys have to look inside and tell me what you see inside the apple. See how far they cut. Do you notice that this side of the apple is getting brown, but the part that Miss Santos just cut isn't brown? I wonder why that happens. Talk to your mommy and daddy about why you think this apple is brown on this side, but it's still the color of an apple on this side.
And you know what, Miss Trophy? Maybe I'll cut a little more. I think there's something more in the middle.
Oh, good.
Okay. A little more.
That's good. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
something popped out.
Oh, what's that, Miss Trophy?
Let me pull it up. I don't know if you can see this, but what do you think this is? This is an apple seed, and that's the apple core. The seed came out of the core. Wow, you're smart. You knew that was in there.
Yeah.
That's good eyes, Miss Santos.
Thank you.
So, since you guys are so little and can't use a knife, because it's very dangerous and you can get a boo-boo, you can use a fork to cut into a banana. You can take the fork and just push it down and pull. Push it down and pull into a banana or another soft food-like object.
Like the inside of an avocado when it's already open.
Oh, yes, an avocado is good. Any soft food that you might have at home, you can take with a fork yourself and wedge it into the food or object and pull it. Wedge and pull. I'm going to quickly read you a part of this book. It's called Ramps and Wedges. I'm only going to be reading this section right here, which says, a wedge is a small ramp that can be moved. It is easy to slide a wedge under a door, like our door stopper. That's what we used to call it, but it's really called a wedge. So when you guys come back to school, you have to remind me it's not a door stopper, it's a wedge. The wedge jams the door open. So remember all those times we had our door open? It wasn't magic, it was with the wedge. So for today's activity, I want you to see if you can find a fork and some kind of soft food-like material, or maybe even some kind of other material, and try to wedge your fork and pull. Wedge and pull. And try to take pictures and upload it on Google Classroom or Class Dojo. See you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys.